Meaning of heart failure.
Heart failure.
Heart failure.
Heart failure.
Heart failure. Heart failure is a medical condition that occurs when the heart is unable to pump enough blood to meet the body's needs. This happens when the heart becomes weakened or damaged, often due to conditions such as high blood pressure, coronary artery disease, or heart attack. As a result, fluid can build up in the lungs, causing shortness of breath and other symptoms such as fatigue, swelling, and cough. Heart failure is a serious condition that requires medical treatment and lifestyle changes to manage symptoms and improve overall heart health.